Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 18th of May. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We have a little bit of a sea breeze, which is going to kick in, kind of a backdoor cold front for today. So if you look at high temperature forecasts across Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, what you would see this afternoon is that temperatures along the Maine coastline, down through Portland are going to be in the 50s this afternoon. It'll be chilly, and some of that air actually making it into Essex County here this evening. So some of you in Essex County may reach 70 degrees this morning into the early afternoon and then fall back. I do think that warm air is going to remain in place for most of Middlesex County and likely even into all of Metro West. Now, Boston, you may get to 70 degrees this morning, but it's also possible you stay in the mid 60s at Logan Airport and you go back to Brookline and it's 77, 78 degrees here around 3, 4, 5 o'clock this afternoon. So it's going to be a warm day over inland areas, not quite as warm, however, as yesterday. Yesterday's high temperatures across the area were way above average. It was still 88 degrees at Logan Airport during the evening hours yesterday, so a very warm day. You had places like Norwood getting up to 88 degrees, so really getting very close to 90 degrees yesterday afternoon. Boston reaching, looks like 88 is what we had for official there as well. With those dew points being quite low, that's why temperatures fell fairly quickly last night. Once the sun went down, you lose the heat of the day and things dry out. Speaking of drying out, we do need rain. So if you planted some things, water them. Now, after today, we get some clouds tonight. Gets a little more humid. Tomorrow is moderately humid, but you'll definitely notice it. Record high is 90, set back in 1949. We definitely could get to or break that even at Logan. It could be our first 90-degree day. It would be early, averages first week of June to June 8th, somewhere in there. Then Wednesday, a front approaches. It's humid before. Maybe a couple of showers as the front passes through. Not a lot of rain, maybe a few 100ths to a quarter of an inch. If you got a heavier shower, that would be great. Temperatures will get 85 to 90 before the front, very muggy. Then we cool off late Wednesday night and Thursday and Friday up near 70, 60s to near 70 with partly to mostly sunny skies. We'll see what the weekend does. I'll take a better look at it tomorrow. Have a great day.